Hello guys! It's 6 o'clock and we are here at Capitol Lidere, Provincial Capitol. Oh, matanaw yung mga yay! What's in here? Stand up there. Say hi guys. Tonight we are here. Yes. See that guys? This is provincial capital of Surigao City, Surigao del Norte. Peaceful guys. We'll check later sa City Hall. Say gana. Jess, you stand up there. Go up. Go. You'll take a pause. Pretty pause. Say hi guys. Yes. Huh? What? Oh, it's quite itchy in the grass. Oh, go down na. You're maarte, ha? See there? Mga umbrella, guys. Just here. Where is Tatay? We'll find Tatay. We'll put on the mask. What is our to wear our mask. There. Find Tatay. Yes. Last na ako naanhi dire guys sa convention center when I was in college pa. Just watch out kay basing na car. Every time acquaintance party and Christmas party, graduation, be held dire. This is the Jessa, come. Yes, this is the Christmas tree of
Santa.
Yes, it's Santa of Surigao City Hall. City Hall ng Surigao. It's there. Oh, so colorful. And you can go under the Christmas tree like that. Hi, Jess. You wave your hand. There, oh, it's very pretty. See that guys? So mao ni ang ilalom sa big Christmas tree. Oh, and then we go outside. It's so beautiful. Oh, Jess, you stand up there kay it's so colorful. Same sa imong dress. Look at nanay.
Sinasubay sa itong health protocol sa Dakbayan sa Surigao.
Yes.
Samtang nagpaunagway, sulod nining City Hall compound. Daghang salamat sa inyong kooperasyon.
There, oh, wow. Kung wala pa'y COVID guys, mas gabi pa ni ka hayag ka rin.
Ang publiko sa pagbaton kanunay sa paggamit sa inyong face mask o face shield.
Surigao City Hall. So it's very colorful here. Go here. What's your steps? Go there, Jess. Go there. Gawing sayaw-sayaw sa Ate Jess. Kay mo pa naka... Kay mo pa nakagawas. Go there. Go there.
Physical distancing.
Careful. There's Kuya Mojo. Okay, let's go back na. Oh, kagana sa color. Moch, video ay sa... Ko, Moch, mana ko diha. Video ay ko, mana ko diha. Dali na! Undang na diha! Kaganang color, oh. You want ice cream, Jess? Doha ka 10.